Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a dashboard in Wrike. Dashboards are a powerful way to keep tasks and projects organized while boosting productivity. Let's get started. First, log in to Wrike. Once you're in your workspace, look at the left-hand panel and click on More. From there, select Dashboards. This is where you'll build and manage everything. Now, you can start crafting your dashboard. If you want to adjust the layout, click Change Layout. To switch between horizontal and vertical views, pick whichever gives you the clearest overview of your projects. Next, add parameters to customize what data you see. This lets you filter tasks and projects so your dashboard shows exactly what matters most. Think of it as creating a personalized lens for your work. Finally, click on the three-dot menu for extra options. Here you can rename your dashboard for easier identification or even export it if you'd like to share or back it up. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom dashboard in Wrike. With this setup, you'll have a clear, organized view of your work and your team's progress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides.